All right, here we go, guys. We got the Ottocast. We're going to be setting this up here. This is for wireless CarPlay. So we're going to show you from start to finish when it comes to actually setting it up. So we're going to go ahead and turn on the vehicle here. I'm going to be setting up wireless. My wife's van does not have it. It's got to be plugged in. And so first things first is you want to make sure that you are going to be plugged in or not plugged in. So you want to make sure that that is the case. So let's go ahead and drop this unit in the system. What's really, really nice with it is it's super compact. Look how small this is right here from an Ottocast, super small. You do have an option, so for USB and USB-C. So let's go ahead and see that. You can take this unit and plug it directly into it and plug it into USB-C. So if your vehicle has that and that's the proper port, there you have it. But otherwise, we're gonna be plugging this in down here. This is where it's for my wife's car and it will control the CarPlay. So we're gonna go ahead and plug that in. Good news is we got a red light immediately. That's exactly what we're looking for, super important. So we're gonna go ahead and open up her phone here. Okay, we're going to go into the Bluetooth settings right here. So once we open up the Bluetooth settings, we're gonna let everything come up and we're gonna be looking for the Ottocast settings. So this is car and it has a specific unit. So we got that here. On your screen itself, it's going to give you an option for enable and disable. So we're going to enable and then go to device list. We do have to make an adjustment to that. Let's take off this one because we're not using it anymore. And we're going to hit pair. And she doesn't like her things to be synced. So we're going to make sure we get that removed. And then now we should be able to come over to the Apple CarPlay. And there you have it. So right there, we're able to go in, make all the adjustments. This Apple CarPlay works just like it should and everywhere now, which is super important. So I want to show you how fast it is. We're going to turn the car off. We're going to disconnect everything. And then you're going to notice how it pops up really quickly already. So everything's off. Let's go ahead and open up the door. Okay, you're hopping in the vehicle, turning it on. Phone set up right here. Okay. Everything's going to start loading, which is super important. Give it just a second. And just like everything else, once it gets uploaded in the system and like everything is all the way on, it's very easy to make happen. So we got that. Hit Apple CarPlay up here. It says it's loading. We are connected down below. And there you have it. So we got this ready. Just like that, we are there to go. So very easy process. Ottocast made it easy so that you can get in and have everything taken care of just like you want it to be. Guys, you got to definitely check out the Ottocast, the Mini. This thing is awesome. Check it out.